student of second prep, we are going to illustrate some questions of model exams of ministry education. Okay, we have 3 models and we will start to solve questions of these exams. Okay, let's start with first exam. Question number 1. When sodium reacts with chlorine, sodium as a metal and chlorine as a non-metal. Okay, sodium has 1 electron in its outermost energy level, and chlorine gain this electron, the formula of the resulted compound. So we have here Na plus and Cl negative, so the compound formula or the right of symbols will be NaCl without any numbers. We don't write 1 below the symbol of each element here, okay, as both have the same number of valency. Question number 2. The device which used in the electric analysis of water is, okay, we said that water is a covalent compound, and if we want to make analysis or decomposition for the component of water, we will start by making some or using one of the following apparatus to make the analysis or hydrolysis or make decomposition for it. We use apparatus depend on electricity to make this electrical analysis. We called it what? Depend on the scientists that made it, Hofmann voltmeter. Okay, this is the right answer, number C. Question number 3 here. The element which is lie in the 3rd period and 5th period. Okay, please concentrate in this question. Some of you make confliction between each point. Okay, let's start by illustrating them. 3rd period, here we have 1st, 2nd and 3rd period. Okay, and we have 2, 8 in the 2 in the 1st level, 8 in the 2nd level, and the last one according to the group we have 5 electrons. Okay, so the number of element here will be 15. The number of element here will be 15, atomic number will be 15. And if we want to know the number of electron in its ion, okay, please concentrate in this. In its ion means we have here a non-metal has 5 electron in its outermost energy level, so it gains 3 electrons to complete it. When changed into ion, it will gain 3 electrons, so the number of electrons or the atomic number here will be what? Will be 18 electrons. Okay, please focus on this question. Some of you make confliction for it. Please study hard, and when you answer, please read the sentence till the end of the question. Okay, we have here underline for the point ion, okay, for the word ion. Okay, let's going to question number 4. Okay, question number 4 says that ozone layer lie in, okay, the ozone layer lays in what? Okay, we have the 4 ozone layers, tropostrato, mesothermo. I think it's a song. We have the order 4 layers away from the Earth's surface. We have tropostrato, mesothermo. Okay, which layer will have the ozone layer. Okay, one of troposphere it is the first layer and it is the nearest one to us, but if we want to make a shield or protection for us, we have ozone layer at a distance from 20 to 40 kilometers above Earth's surface. So we have ozone in the second layer, as it is starts above from 18 to most than 50. So we have here ozone layer present in the second layer, and we called it also ozonic layer. We have stratosphere. Okay, I think it's easy. So the right answer will be, what will be number B, stratosphere. Okay, let's go into question number 5 here. There are complete fossils preserved inside. Okay, if you want to make fossil completely preserved, like what? Like insect. We said we have a complete fossil for the insect, as it like a stick inside what? Inside a glowing substance. What is the substance? Make a solidifying for body of insect or organism inside it. We have amber, solidified substance that make gelatinous at the first, and after time make solid, and we can preserve insect inside it. So we have complete fossil, or we have insect inside what? Inside amber. So the right answer will be here number B, amber. Question number 6 here. From the extinct animal in ancient periods, means that they are disappear completely. What from these animals? Okay, we have the last one here, number D, bird. We are talking about animal, not bird. Okay, iceberg. No, we have here rhinoceros. We have a rhinoceros till now. Panda, we have a panda till now. So they are not extinct, they are most endangered to be disappear. But the last one, we didn't say dinosaur running with us in everywhere. So the animals distinct in this period, or from the ancient period also, we have all the extinct animal. We have what? We have dinosaurs. Okay, we have dinosaurs. They are the old extinct animal from us. Okay, let's going to exam 2. We have, in each exam we have 6 questions, and we will answer the second one. We are going to answer it. Okay, we will have here model 2. Okay, we will start each model by chemistry. We have a large amount of chemistry in our curriculum in the first term. We have 4 lessons. Unit 1, all unit 1 contain all the chemistry of our subject. Okay, we will start with question number 1. Each alkali metal lies in the what of each period? Okay, we said as we go from left to right inside the period, we start with metals and what? Strongest metal. We have group number 1, and we called it alkali metal. Group number 2, and we are going from left to right. We have metalloids or semi-metal, and as we go from left to right, in the other side we have non-metals, and each period ends with what? Inert gas or inactive elements. Okay, so each period, or we have here each alkali metal present inside what? In group 1A. So we will start each period with what? With alkali metal. So the right answer will be start. Okay, and middle will be what I said? Semi-metal or metalloid, and the end will be inert gas or ended at the end, finished with inert gas. And at the bottom we have F block that contain group of very active elements that we call them lanthanides and actinides. Okay, let's go into question number 2. Is the volume of the collected gas, okay, at the cathode in electrical analysis of water? We said that we have Hofmann voltmeter and we use it to make analysis for water based on electricity, or we have large amount of electricity that we have what, 10 cubic centimeter. So the volume of gas at the anode will be what? Okay, if we have the cathode contain what and the anode contain what? Okay, if we say that we are going to talk about the amount of substance in the anode or cathode. Okay, cathode rays, here we have kind of charge, we have negative charge. Cathode carry negative charge. Which of one will have the negative charge, hydrogen or oxygen? Negative charge will be carrying by oxygen. So if I want to collect negative charge, it must be cathode negative and anode on the other side positive. So the opposite charge will attract each other, and at cathode negative will collect what? Collect hydrogen. Cathode negative collect what? Collect hydrogen. And opposite to it, anode positive, will collect oxygen negative. So will be, we have 2 atoms of hydrogen at the cathode and 1 atom of oxygen. If we have at the cathode, we said that we have cathode negative charge that collect what? Collect hydrogen. So we have here 2 atoms, and if we collect oxygen at the anode, we have here its amount of hydrogen. So if we have 10 cubic centimeter, on the other side the volume of gas at the anode will be have the amount of gas at what? At cathode. So the right answer will be here 5 cubic centimeter. Okay, we have the ratio H2O 2 to 1, so the amount of gas at the cathode will be double the amount of gas at what? At anode. Okay, let's go into question number 3. Trivalent non-metal element. Okay, we said we have trivalent non-metal element lies in 3rd period. So we have here 3 energy level. First filled with 2, second filled with 8, and the last one trivalent. So it will be what? Trivalent but non-metal, not metal. So we are in group 15. We are in group 15 as we have 5 electron in the outermost energy level. So the atomic number here will be what? Atomic number will be 15, as we have the first one filled with 2, second one filled with 8, and third one will be filled with 5 electron, as we are talking about non-metal, not metal. Please concentrate on the point here. We are talking about trivalent non-metal. Trivalent non-metal, not metal. If we are talking about trivalent metal, we will start as group 13 or group 3A. So we have 3 electron in the outermost energy level. But here we have what? Non-metal, trivalent non-metal. So we are going to illustrate. We have 5 electrons and we want to complete the outermost energy level by 3 electrons. So valency will be here trivalent and will be have 15 atomic number, and we have 5 electrons in its outermost energy level. So we are going to be in group 15 in the period, okay, in the group, sorry. Okay, we are going to question number 4. Question number 4 says that which layer has pressure equal 90 millibar? Okay, we said we are going above Earth's surface. As the atmospheric pressure decreases, each layer from 1 to 100 millibar. As we said, we are in the middle, we have 90 millibar, so we are going to be in the second layer, will be stratosphere. Okay, we are going to in the second layer, stratosphere. Okay, number 5, from the example of microfossils. Micro means we can see it under microscope, so we have kind of fossil, very small. If we say we can have some clay and we can see it under microscope, if we find them, we can make or expect the presence of petroleum wells inside the soil. So we have a kind of microfossil here. We have 2 names. One of them in our choices, we said we have mammoth, polypods, and foraminifera nimulite. We have the right answer here will be foraminifera. Okay, another one we have in the student book, we have radiolaria. Okay, we have 2 examples for the microfossil that we can find them in the petroleum wells. We have foraminifera and radiolaria. Question number 6 here, we have dinosaur eggs are considered what fossil? Okay, if we said we want a fossil for anything, we have egg, and all the material inside the egg will be not present. So we have what? Petrified and or cast, mold, or trace. If we are talking about egg, we have a material inside the egg comes out from it and replace the material, the organic material, by silica as a mineral, and the egg like a stone. So we called egg like what? Petrified fossil. We called the dinosaur egg here what? A petrified fossil. We have different shapes for petrified fossil. Also we have a tree or kind of trees that make petrified trees that look like what? That look like stones of forest. Okay, this is the second exam. Let's going to third exam of our Ministry of Education. Let's going to it. Okay, we have here model 3. Also we said that we are going to start by the chemistry. Noble gases are located in which group? Okay, as we said, we start with metals, and in the middle we have metalloids or semi-metal, and at the end, or as we're going from left to right, we have non-metal, and the last one will be what? Will be zero group. Will be zero group that contain inert gas or noble gas. So the noble gases are located in, we can say, 18, group number 18, as we have 8 electrons in the outermost energy level, or filled or saturated with electrons, or we can call it zero group. Okay, we called it what? Zero group. Each of the following, question number 2, each of the following elements reacts with diluted acid except. Okay, if we make a reaction between acid and element, it must be active element, so it can remove hydrogen of acid as we said, we have here must be metal. If we have carbon, carbon will be excluded from our what? From our choices. Okay, we said we have metals in all of this, so carbon is a non-metal. Well, or not in our chemical activity series to replace it, so we have here no reaction between non-metals and acids in cases of diluted or concentrated. So we have here no reaction between non-metals and acids. All of them make zinc, iron and magnesium make reaction, but in different rates of reaction, or different of speed of reaction will be changes. Meteors are, question number 3, meteors are formed in, okay, if we say we have meteors, it's a glowing bodies that present away from the Earth's surface. We can't see them, so we must be away from Earth to be what? To be burned completely and changed into meteoroids. So it will be present in what? In the mesosphere. Okay, mesosphere, it's a layer that highly rarefied or that not contain any active material, so it can move, not contain any gases, and also we have low atmospheric pressure and low temperature, as it is the lowest one in temperature, and all meteors can be burned completely inside this layer. So meteors, okay, you can connect between them. Meso starts with M and meteors starts with M. Okay, so meteors present or found in what? In mesosphere layer. Okay, let's start going to question number 4. We have here question number 4. From the endangered creatures is, okay, endangered maybe can extinct for the long run, or maybe will disappear completely after a time. We have a kinds here that will be maybe disappear after a time. Okay, we said that we haven't any dinosaurs. We said dodo bird will disappear completely as they are not flying, and they have short legs, so it can't run or fly, so they can't be run from the hunters. Also quagga, it's a kind of midway between zebra and horse, and we can't see all of these animals, so they are extinct. Okay, so we have here endangered creature or endangered animal. We have what? We have panda bear. We have panda here. Panda will be the endangered animal that will be extinct on the long run, or we are going to hit in them. Okay, question number 5. The liquid nitrogen is used in, okay, what reactor? Okay, we said we have here nitrogen liquid give very low temperature, reaches to -196 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we use it in a very important material, or to preserve very important living tissues. We have saving or preserving cornea of eye. Okay, we have liquid nitrogen like a smoke, white smoke. We can't see it. It make a frozen very fast and very low temperature that can reserve or make saving for cornea of eye. The last question in our exams: fossils are found in what kind of rocks? We said all fossils present in only one kind of rocks. We have we said that we are talking about each kind of rocks in the first prep. We have volcanic and igneous, metamorphic, and the last one, sedimentary rocks. Okay, why sedimentary rocks? Okay, the right answer will be number B, sedimentary rocks. Fossils preserved in sedimentary rocks, as they are kind of rocks that make decomposition and form it easily or after time by the effect of rains. It will make a decomposition, and after finishing or after drying will be preserved or will be stand as it is, and will make a preserve for the fossils or anything inside it. Okay, this is the last question of our exams. Okay, I hope you enjoy our illustration for these exams. We are going to solve a lot of questions. I hope you understand every point and make a focus for each point that we are saying about it. Thank you for joining. Good luck for the exam.